ClubExpress System Emails. ClubExpress automatically sends various emails. Some are related to membership, such as renewal notices. Some are related to activities on your website, such as event registration confirmations or payment confirmations. You can customize many of these emails. In this video, we'll show you how. We're already logged on to one of our demo sites as an administrator. Most of these emails are configured through the System Emails module. However, some, for example, event and volunteer email reminders, are configured in their respective modules. Let's take a look at the System Emails function. We start at the Control Panel's Communications tab, scroll down to the Setup section, and click on System Emails. This page shows an alphabetical list of all the system emails that can be customized. Each email is shown with a title and a description of when it's sent. A check mark in the Customize column tells you whether the email has been customized. If you see a yellow caution symbol, this system email was customized manually using our old system prior to 2015. These customized emails are no longer being used, but you can view the original email in order to make the same changes to the new formatted emails. When this is done, the yellow caution symbol will be replaced by the green check mark. To send the system tag test email, click the button above the grid. The system will generate and send a test email to an email address that you designate. This email will list all of the replaceable tags available for your organization and for each member, using your own personal data for the membership info. The Maintain column has a few icons. The Edit icon lets you edit this email. The Send Test Email icon sends a test version of this email so that you can see how it looks, and you'll be prompted for the destination email address. If you've customized the email, an icon is available to remove the customized version of this email. The system will go back to sending out the default version instead, and you'll be prompted to confirm this action. When you click the Edit icon, you'll see an Editor dialog window. This is a simplified version of our standard text editor. It only includes those formatting options that most email readers will allow through. For security reasons, many advanced HTML and CSS settings are not typically displayed in emails, so the editor does not support these features. Use the editor to modify the body text of the email. Please view the Advanced Content Edit tutorial video or look in your administrator manual for more information about the tools on the toolbar. Let's talk about tags for a moment. Each of these system emails includes a number of replaceable tags designated by 2 leading and 2 trailing tilde symbols. When an email is generated by the system and sent out, we replace these tags at runtime with their actual values, based on the operation that was just completed. For example, when new members sign themselves up, the confirmation email includes the following tags: first name, club name, member number, total charge, date and time of transaction, the membership director's title, name, phone, and email address, the president's title and name, and a few others. When it's sent out, each tag is replaced by its actual current value for that member who just signed up. Some of this information is pulled from other modules of ClubExpress. For example, the membership director's title and name are pulled from the Titles and Contacts function. So you don't need to modify dozens of emails each time your club's officers change. Instead, change them in one place, for example in the Contacts screen, and every email from that point forward will pick up the new information. You can't invent new tags, but there's an extensive and dynamic list of tags that can be dropped into each email, many of them email-specific. Click the Select Tag option in the top left corner to see a full list of tags available for this particular email. Tags fall into 3 categories. There are club-level tags, such as the club's name and website address. There are member-level tags, such as the member's name and member type. And there are email-specific tags, such as the payment amount for a payment. Here we have selected the tag for the member's last name. Click Insert Tag to insert that tag at the cursor position. Be sure not to modify any inserted tags directly, especially removing the tilde symbols. Otherwise, the email won't be formatted as you expect. It's always a good idea after modifying and saving an email to send a test to yourself to verify that everything is correct. Click Save to save your changes and return to the list of system emails, or Cancel to return without saving your changes. If you had previously customized this email in our old system, You'll see a button in the top right corner allowing you to view the old customized email in a pop-up window. You then have three options. Replace the text in the editor with the original text, insert the original text into the editor alongside the new text, or close the dialog without copying the original text over. There are some other system emails that are specific to certain modules, for example, event and volunteer reminders, and for some optional modules like member services, and they're found in the module's administration screen. To edit those reminders, go to the module, then click the Configure button and select Email Reminders. A list of system emails for that module is presented, and the procedure for editing and maintaining these notifications is the same as in the main System Emails module. So now you've seen how to customize many of these system emails so the messaging is tailored for your own organization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.